Hello and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen Restaurant Edition. We're here today at Nordon Preferred Kitchen Equipment Studios, and joining me in the kitchen today is Chef Jonathan Cartwright. He's the chef over at the Inn at Dos Brisas in Washington, Texas. Welcome.
Thank you, Nicole.
Of course. What are we making today?
We're going to do a little bit of Gulf snapper. We're just going to score it a little bit when we put it on the grill. So we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to this for grilling and for things that we're going to put all on the plate like this. It's good to use a good oil.
This is a fantastic grill. You can feel the heat all the way over there.
We have some wonderful equipment here. We're very well equiped.
Oh wow, so we got nice grill marks on that.
We do. The main thing here is the flavor. Take a little bit of sherry vinegar and into
chefs use that all the time on
into our warm oil. So we're just going to nappe it a little bit over there.
Nappe meaning just lay the sauce on top.
Just lay it on top. So be careful with our fish. We've got beautiful flavor there.
Very
delicate. You can
delicate.
feel how firm that fish is now. It's just nice.
Jonathan, this looks like such a lovely dish. And we're gonna bring Mark back in. It's just so fresh, so light and delicious. Well, excuse me.
Bon appetit.
I have to say the snapper is cooked perfectly. Well, Chef, it was wonderful to have you here on the Chef's Kitchen today. Come back and see us again.
Thank you.
To see today's recipe and all of the recipes featured on the Chef's Kitchen, log on to chefskitchen.tv.